Best Car PPF Service, Falcon Car Detailing. Protecting your car's pristine paintwork isn't just about aesthetics, it's an investment. Scratches, stone chips, and sun damage can significantly depreciate your vehicle's value. That's where paint protection film, PPF, comes in, and when it comes to best car PPF service in Bangalore, Falcon Car Detailing reigns supreme. Why Falcon Car Detailing is the best car PPF service? Unmatched experience. With over years of experience and a team of certified professionals, Falcon Car Detailing is a name you can trust. They understand the intricacies of PPF application, ensuring a flawless, bubble-free finish that protects your car for years to come. Premium PPF brands. They only use the most recognized and trusted PPF brands, guaranteeing exceptional quality and performance. These films boast self-healing properties and superior scratch resistance, keeping your car looking showroom new. Comprehensive coverage. Whether you want full body protection or a tailored approach for high-impact zones, Falcon Car Detailing offers various packages to suit your needs and budget. They understand every car is unique and customize their services accordingly. Impeccable attention to detail. From meticulous paint preparation to precise installation, Falcon Car Detailing meticulously ensures every step is done to perfection. Their commitment to detail shines through in the final result, exceeding your expectations. Unwavering customer service. Their friendly and knowledgeable staff is always available to answer your questions and guide you through the process. They prioritize transparency and provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Falcon Car Detailing goes beyond just applying PPF. They offer additional services like ceramic coating, car wraps, and interior detailing, providing a one-stop solution for all your car care needs. Investing in Falcon Car Detailing's PPF service comes with a multitude of benefits. Preserved value. Protect your car's resale value by preventing paint damage. Enhanced aesthetics. Maintain a flawless, showroom-like shine for years to come. Peace of mind. Drive confidently knowing your car is shielded from everyday wear and tear. Reduced maintenance. PPF makes cleaning and maintaining your car easier and faster. Don't settle for anything less than the best when it comes to protecting your car's paint. Choose Falcon Car Detailing, Bangalore's leading provider of PPF services, and experience the difference. Visit their website or call them today to schedule a consultation and unlock the ultimate protection for your beloved vehicle.